Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just got back from the flea market. Thought I'd do a quick video. It was a sunny day out today, and I got some pretty good deals. First off, I got this hammer for $2. It's an all trade. That's a new one for me. So this may be a newer hammer. It just looks ugly. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. Got these hydraulic wrenches. This one's a Proto, and this one's a Drew. And I got this saw right here for free. And let's see what that says on there. Superior, warranted superior. And I got this pipe for free. It says Gothic there. And made in France there. That was free. This was $1 for my Dremel. Got diamond tip tools there. Little patch I picked up for free. Free baseball. Free whisk, nipper. Leather holster. Free hats. International Harvester. Got a American flag hat. And I got a free cigar box. And all this stuff was free. This was pretty amazing. Scale Auto magazines. All these magazines are from the 80s and early 90s. There's about 10 or so in each pack. Really cool. Each of these is probably, could be. I have to look each one of. I'm gonna have to open them up and look at them separately. But I briefly looked, and we're going from like $8 to $14 a piece. I'm sure in here there's some that are more valuable and some that are not so valuable. I have to look into it. Scale Auto Enthusiast. That one's from 1985. It's hard to believe that's a model. Yep, all free, guys. And these two, got a bunch of these Winston Cup. They're all from the 80s and early 90s as well. Some books are in pretty good conditions, and there's a few that are in pretty bad condition. It looks like they got a little bit of water damage, some of them. But I will probably lot them up. And yeah, this one was probably the worst one right here. Really bad. I don't think I'll even sell that one. But some of the other ones are like pretty much new inside. I mean, they're pretty crisp. Yeah. So yeah, didn't spend much money, but I got a lot of stuff. Oh, I almost forgot. Another free thing. Look at this banner. It's a canvas Harley Davidson boot banner. Free. That was so cool. Well, I'm going to end it with that, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.